What's up, guys? I just got an operation stopped notification. I was in my third pass, as you see. So, okay, so here we go. Brush, Yuen Workshop on SUDSY with a Timberwolf 24mm knot, Pereira bowl, the wooden SUDSY SOAPERY, top of morning, and we're using the Rockwell 6C on the 5-plate. Thank you, Zachary. So yeah, that sucked, but oh well. I have like nothing to shave now, but you know, I'll be getting to the winners on the face shave this afternoon for the giveaway. If you haven't jumped in, you might want to do that. You got about 4 hours, 6 hours, so 7 o'clock right now, my time, AM. So, yeah. But what I was saying was super slick soap here. Very nice Irish morning type scent is how it describes it. You get 5.5 ounces here for $17. It's outstanding. It's a beef tallow with everything from the vegan world added. I'm using a Pulse Over Super Iridium new old stock blade, first use, plate 5 on the Rockwell. Can't remember what I've said in this video and the last one. I'd like to say thank you to all my new subscribers. I really appreciate it. And if you're not subscribed and you're viewing, please think about and consider subscribing, hit the notification bell and the like button so we can push this further out and get more wet shavers involved with this hobby that we love so much. So I'm gonna do this last final pass, see what I can pick up. Yeah, this soap, if any of my subscribers would like to try it, we'll definitely send you a sample. Just get my email or message me on Facebook and I'll send you my email and you can send me your address. I'll get this out to you. How I picked this soap today was, I was just thinking, like, what do I have that I can use for early morning? And then the title, top of the morning, I remembered. I couldn't remember if I gave it away or piffed it, but I did not. And now I can remember why. It's a very, very, very slick scent strength. I'd give it a 7.5, somewhere in there. So very, very nice, fresh. They describe it as an Irish morning type scent. I guess if you're Irish and you smell out the window in the morning, that's what it smells like. I'm not sure, but it is a very nice, strong but not loud scent, and I dig it. Yeah, I've already done the with the grain, across the grain passes. Yeah. Technical difficulties. I'm sorry about that, guys. It happens sometimes. very smooth. This blade is great. Wow. Yeah. 2 little spots, and I'm BBS. Yep. Alright, let's get on with the post. That's what we had left. It does not take much soap to get a really big amount of lather out of this. The residuals are great. The post-shave feels great. This came out way before all these super slick soaps started coming out. So they're more about the simple scents, like 1 and 2 note scents, which I can appreciate. I don't like a sophisticated built up scent all the time. First we're gonna go Artisan Soap Shop Teakwood Special Edition. I don't even know if they're still in business. Really love this stuff here. It does not burn, it has no alcohol. Shit, forgot my album. Oh well. But yeah. Great stuff. And from Paul H, I'm going to use this L'Oreal Men Expert Hydra Sensitive Soothing Aftershave Balm. I love how this smells. Thank you, Paul. Should be plenty. It does a great job too. Yeah, now recap, since didn't really get a free pass shave on camera, but I didn't even get any of it. It didn't even save the video. I guess it just crashed. I don't know. And delete some shit. Because that shit didn't used to happen until I downloaded a couple things. Anyway, here we go. Timberwolf knot on the Yuen workshop. Beautiful silver, bronze, and purple. Love the shape. Plate 5, Zachary's plate, my razor. Thank you, Zachary. First time I've used plate 5. That was a Pole Silver Super Iridium old stock blade, first use. And the star, the SUDSY SOAPERY, 100% all natural beef tallow, naturally slick shave soap, top of morning. And this does have honey and beeswax in it. So really, I don't know, but those are 2 notes, 2 ingredients that stand out to me. It does have clay in it, so if you can't have clay, it's not for you. Spray bottle we used. Preparable, wooden, not wooden, faux wood. I did drop it yesterday, and it did not break, so it passed the test. So stay tuned today for afternoon. I will be spinning or doing whatever, the random comment picker thing to find the 2 winners, one for the soap and razor, the other for the $25 Razor Company gift card. Stay tuned for that video. And I'd like to say thank you to all the subscribers, everyone that's ever made this channel anything. Thank you very much. Really do appreciate it. Peace out.